From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, this is Iowa Live.
Welcome back to the program, everybody, and welcome back warm weather to central Iowa. And you know what warm weather means? Warm weather means your yards could look absolutely stunning. And we have Monica Emerson joining us right now from Capital Landscaping. You are a botanical designer that is now back.
I am back, yes. I worked at Capital Landscaping about 15 years ago as a landscape designer and have recently come back and am enjoying my time there. We're bringing in a new service this year of planters, annual planters.
Annual planters.
Yes.
Now, just real quick, for those people that need a refresher course on what different type of planters there are. Okay.
Yep. Annual planters are the plants that you plant now that'll bloom profusely over the summer, but they won't overwinter.
Okay.
So there are things that you love them for the season, and then you refresh them with fall mums and things as the season goes on.
Yeah, one and done.
Right, exactly.
When it comes to the flowers, but these are the flowers that really look incredible.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
They bloom profusely, and you have a lot of color. A lot of times you have them in planters at your front door, outside your business. Those are the areas that you really want to bring that pop of color to and some texture, and then that's what we're focusing on here today.
And this time of year, if you do own a home and you do have an area with some flowers, you get really excited about that, but then you have to start planning. What am I going to put over here? What will grow good in this area? There's too much shade over here, but that's what you do.
That's what we're here for. We'll help you with that. We're offering custom designing for all your annual planters at both residential and commercial properties. We'll come in and assess the planters that you have. If you want to continue to use those planters, or if you're looking to update those into something else, we can take care of that for you too. But each planter is custom designed by me so that we will come in and if you have colors that you like to highlight at your house or your business, if you want to do colors that represent your business, we can take care of that for you and put in the appropriate plants for the lighting and the water requirements that you have.
So how many people, here's a question, how many people want to have the colors of their school represented in the flowers?
Oh, absolutely. School or favorite sports teams or business logo colors or anything like that.
You can have cardinal and gold.
Absolutely.
Black and gold,
yeah,
and
absolutely.
Blue and white.
Yep. Yep.
Everything's all covered.
Absolutely. If you let me know what you want, we can take care of that for you.
Because you go and you pick up, if you're a homeowner, you're going to go, I think this will work here, but you know what will work and what will look the best when they grow.
Yep. You want to have different ones with different height. You want to have ones that trail over the edge of your pot. It gives you some visual interest and some texture. So we're here to help.
Yeah, and so you've been back with Capital Landscaping for how long now?
Been back for about 2 months or so, and really enjoying it. I'm so glad that the season is getting started, and the warmer weather, the trees are starting to bloom, and that's always one of the best times of year when you're working in the landscape business.
Now, Capital Landscaping in general, what other type of services do you have?
We are a full service landscape company. You probably know that we take care of patios. We're a design build. We have landscape designers on staff and architects that can come to your home and offer patios, decks, retaining walls, water features, lawn care, irrigation repair. We're a full service landscape company. We will design and build. If you can dream it, we can do it.
There it is. I love that slogan for Capital Landscaping. Now, when it comes to annuals and things like that, if compare someone who has never used a service like yours, what they have done and then what you could do.
Yeah, if you have struggled in the past or feel like you're just not getting the results that you want, and we're happy to come out and take a look at that and help you in the future, with different seasons. We can do spring and summer and also fall and winter.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. I know this isn't an annual, but I've been trying to get phlox to grow. Okay, and you can't get it to really bloom like it's supposed to and grow like it's supposed to. Okay. Would you be able to rectify that situation?
Yeah. It's potentially an area where it's not getting enough sun or too much sun. There's lots of variables that could go into, a lot of times phlox, are you talking like a creeping phlox?
Yes, exactly.
Something that would grow and kind of cascade over.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
I saw it at Phil's house.
He does have beautiful
That's the boss. Okay.
Yes, at the boss's house. Creeping phlox is beautiful in boulder walls and creeping over the edge of even retaining walls. It does have kind of a shorter bloom season, so a lot of times you just see it as green, but right now it's in full bloom.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
it looks gorgeous.
But if you're having trouble with any plants in your landscaping, we're happy to come out and help you with that.
Residential or commercial,
Absolutely.
they can take care of them both.
Yep.
Now, if people want to get a hold of Capital Landscaping, easiest thing they can do.
They can give us a call. Our phone number is 515-244-2724, and they can also check out our website, capitallandscaping.com. There's lots of
Here it is right here.
Lots of different ideas, lots of examples of work that we've done. Capital's been in business since 1998, and we're professionals in all aspects of landscape design. So
Very nice to see you.
Yeah, it was
Thank
so
you
nice
so
to
much
meet
for being
you
here.
too.
Thank you for watching.